Dali. Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel!
I'm making a snow!
It's not snow. We are making a milkshake. It's taro flavor from Oma Maricel from the Philippines. And Daddy buy ice cubes. Now we start, Maricel?
Yeah!
First, we put some water. We put some water. And baka iba. Hindi tayo marunong gumamit ng blender, anak. Ano ba yan? And then, open this. Lagyan natin sa blender. Let's enjoy. Baka iba. Oops.
Lisa?
Baka iba. Where is the... Yeah. Okay ba? Takpan na natin siya, Sid.
And?
Bakit? Then, turn. Sabi niya dito, lagyan natin siya ng tubig, tapos tunawin natin yung powder milkshake. Tapos, dagdagan daw natin ng ice.
Ay! Ano open maka?
Okay. Yeah, open maka. Nee, kanit. Here. Paano buksan to, Sid? Yan.
Ay?
Pumasok yung mukha mo dyan. Di doon!
Jesus!
Konti lang muna. And then, haha. Ignorante. Now, even kijken. Oeps.
Oopsie.
There's still a full hole. What happened?
It's not stuck anymore. It's not stuck. Yeah.
Lekker, hè?
Yeah.
Iets klaar na, Sed.
Okay.
Iets klaar. Lekker, Taro. Lekker, hè? Dalhan namin si Tanta Anita ng aming taro shake. Here!
It's open.
Yeah.
Why is it open?
Bak Eva. Ik moet de door.
Clack, 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 clack.
Yan, dadalhin namin kay Tanta Anita. Yeah, Anita's auto.
Papa!
Come on!
Papa!
Hindi ka niya makita. Nasa loob siya. Gusto mo. Come, faster.
Faster, faster, faster.
Yeah. Ring the door. Ring the doorbell, anak. Ring. Oh, hawakan mo to. You give it to Tanta Anita. Hawakan mo. Two-handed. Hawakan mo, mahulog. Wayaw. Zeg maar.
Wat is dat? IJsje, ijsje.
IJsje van Filipijnen, toch?
Een Filipijns ijsje.
Shake, ja.
Kom binnen. Ja, kom binnen.
Pasok lang kami saglit. Then we go home. Kom na, Seth. Nee, we go there because you're...
Deze is van jou. Die moet opa nog maken. Deze is van jou. Die moet opa nog maken. Nu doet hij het nog niet.
Mooi, hè? Wat zeg je dan?
Ik ga hem morgen naar opa brengen, ja? Of overmorgen?
Kan niet open.
Nee, hij kan nog niet open, nee.
Dit?
Ja, en dan kan je straks op het scherm zo toetsen. Ja, die is helemaal voor jou, maar opa moet het eerst maken. Ja? Dan ga ik hem maandag naar opa brengen. Is dat goed?
Wauw.
Kijk, en hebben we een mooie hoes eromheen.
Wat is er?
Een blauwe.
Wat is dit?
Een blauwe.
Wat blauwe.
Kijk, en daar
Een
hoort
cover.
En daar hoort
Hoesten.
een cover. En daar hoort hij zo in.
Wauw, mooi, Seth.
Kijk, een blauwe. Zie je dat? We gaan hem eerst naar opa brengen, hè?
Wow, thank you, Bonita.
Oh!
Why you buy it?
Nee, ik kreeg het. Jij krijgt het van Kismet. De zoon van Kismet, Devin.
Ja, de Takara.
Die geeft het van jou.
Even proeven. En?
Lekker.
Ja, dat is een taro flavor. I don't know how to say in Dutch, but it's... Ja. Kom nou, Seth. Nou, niet doen. As usual, pauwi ako mag-isa. Naiwan na naman si Seth doon. Nakita niya kasi yung truck. Dalhin ko na lang yung milkshake niya doon. Para inumin din niya at hindi matunaw. Guys, ito siya. Ayan. Enjoy milkshake. Meron siyang flavors na avocado, bubblegum, leche flan, mango, melon, strawberry, sweet corn, taro, ube makapuno, vanilla, watermelon, and others. Ayan. Ang sarap-sarap. So, hi guys! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. Nandito ulit tayo sa ating favorite place kung saan kusina. Nagluto ako ng spaghetti for our dinner. Pinabili kasi ako nung last time sa Asian store ng spaghetti sauce, Filipino style. Tapos may hotdog din tayo, tsaka may ground beef. Tapos nilagyan ko ng konting bell pepper, tsaka liver spread para, sabi ni Panlasang Pinoy, para daw mas masarap, mas malinaw na.
Yeah. Green means good.
Yeah, wow! Show it to them your new book, anak. Show it to them. Diba? Take out, eh? Oh, naku. Show it to them your new book. What is that, baby? What is that? What is that?
That's Rocky.
Yeah. Is this book?
Yeah.
Where did you buy it?
To the supermarket.
Wow. Who buy it?
Nathan said.
Nita and Seth.
And with the supermarket, the client,
Yeah?
the move.
Pakita mo yung harap ng book mo. What is that? Oh, moy, eh? Vacancy book. Oy, vacancy book daw, oy. Pati libro may pa-vacancy. Uy, bakit? Mama help pa?
Yeah.
Pasok, pasok. Ay, oopsie. Likat.
Nay!
Nasawsaw yung daliri sa sauce. Bangad ka kasi. Huwag mo bibitawan, ha? Mainit.
I need this.
Galing naman magluto ni Sed. Mabitawan mo na.
I need this of Aida.
Ayan. Tingnan mo yung pasta namin sa spaghetti. Macaroni pasta. Sabi ko, mag-i-spaghetti ako. Naihanda ko na lahat, nailuto ko na lahat. Abay, nung titingin ako ng spaghetti pasta. Wala kang spaghetti pasta. Ano lang, macaroni lang. Macaroni pasta pang salad.
Mama!
Yeah. Macaroni. Pero syempre, Pilipino tayo. Kailangan maging mas resourceful tayo, di ba?
I'm not hungry.
Kuma, yan ka na. Kuma, baba ka na. Uy! Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan, kumukulo na yung spaghetti sauce natin. Ayan, sarap-sarap naman yan, oh. May ground beef, may hotdog. Ayan. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung ating pasta. Diba? Napaka-resourceful. Gumamit ng...
We are best friends.
Yeah, we are best friends. Gumamit ako ng macaroni pasta, hindi spaghetti pasta. Kaloka. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng cheese kasi.
Robot.
Ooh, lekker. Yan, masarap yung maraming sauce. Pakainin ko na si Se. Kain ka na, papatayin ko yung
Hello guys, I have my own food because it's not good.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I want.
Sedmut na bed. Eh? Anong ginawa mo dito sa kwarto mo, nak? Ja, wat slapen. Toch? Naar bed. Sit. Ik moet boek lezen? Ja.
Good night, everyone.
Tot morgen.
Tot morgen met slapen.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye ka na kay mamang sa kay papa. Bye-bye, mamang. Myself.
Bye-bye, myself. Papa.
Papa din.
Papa din.
Good night ka na.
Good night.
Pikit na garan. Bye guys! Thank you for watching! Sakamar.
Thank you for watching.
Like our video.
Like the video. And there.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
Like.
And I have a book for my room and my toy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uy!
Doy.
End na po namin ang aming video because it said is moo. Doy, alam mo. Kusya?
Doy alaman!
Gusto? Flying kiss ka na. Mwah. Mwah.